YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you this Elsa Ice Castle toy. See? I'm going to show you. See? It's all blue. Open it. See? It has... Get up! Get up! Ugh. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it has a staircase and balcony. You see, it includes Elsa and Olaf. It has a throne. I don't know where it includes one, but I don't know where it is. But it is somewhere. Yeah. And here is a bed. And here is a mirror in the drawer. See? This is a toy. You see, there is a spinning icicle. Okay. See? Put her in there. You start doing it. Now, oh. Wait a second, I put her like that wrong. Now you see her, now you don't. Now you see her, now you don't. See? Also, when she feels like going, feels like singing Let It Go, you put her in there. Balcony. Here. Wait. You put her right there. And go up. Put her up all the way there. And you see? She's up there. She's up the balcony. Oh. Wait. Okay. You see? And also, Olaf could go up there too. As you can see, you could put this right there. See? Doesn't it look funny? Okay. And also, this palace lights up. See? It includes batteries for this. You press this little snowflake there. Look. Lights up. See? Doesn't it look beautiful with the ice palace closed? Oh. So, thanks for watching my video. Bye!